Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to hide apps on your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to hide your Android apps on your Android mobile, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open settings, just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see here privacy, just tap on this. Guys, under privacy protection you will find hide apps, just tap on this. Here you need to enter your lock screen password. You can see you will get your mobile app list from here. Whichever app you want to hide, you can hide it from here. For example, I want to hide Amazon. You just tap to enable this. You can see the Amazon app has been hidden. Guys, if you want to use these hidden apps, then I will show you how to use this. In this you can see here top right side 2 dot. You need to just tap on this. Just tap on the settings. You can see here change access code. Here you need to type the access code from which you can use your hidden apps. For example, you need to type #1234#. Just save this setting. You can see enter your access code on the dial pad to access the hidden apps. Just click on the done. Then go back, open your dial pad and dial the access code #1234#. You can see hidden apps. Whichever app has been hidden, it will show here. For example, I will add some of the other apps. Just go to the settings, click on the privacy, just click on the hidden apps. You need to enter your lock screen password and add another apps. Just enable these options and go back and open your dial pad, then dial the access code *1234#. You can see the multiple apps has been added to the hidden apps. You can use it from here. That's it guys. So in this way you can hide Android apps on your Android mobile. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.